I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson WF2930 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this here. This printer is using ink cartridges 604 or 604 extra large. If you check my video, you see how we install the ink. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or using USB cable connection. Show you how to load paper tray and also print alignment head. If you install the ink properly, allow initialization, 6 minutes initialization to take place. The next you need to do is you need to load the paper tray and also complete alignment head. Okay, so what we need to do now is, I got the papers here. The paper I have here is A4 paper. Okay, just gonna show you how to do this to load the paper. So you can load various sizes of paper, 4x6, various size. Okay, before I also want to show you, if you have any paper jam, you just need to open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. Once you're done, gently close it. Okay, so this is the power cable for this printer. The power cable goes here. This is the entire cable. Just by the side here, USB cable goes to the side here. Okay, now to load paper tray, you just need to bring this. It's using real paper tray, so you just need to decide the particular paper you want to use. Okay, just need to go in and adjust it. Okay, so this is the paper tray we loaded, the real paper tray. Now what I want to show you is how to print out alignment head. You can do this later or now, adjust it now. So I want to adjust it now. Select OK, but you need to make sure you load the paper, okay, to proceed. So select OK. Now you can print later or print now. I want to print it now. Select OK. Okay, load A4 paper, okay, plain paper, and print start. So select start. So now it's going to start to print the document. Here we go. Okay, now it's asking us, are there any missing segment? Okay, if you look on it, you check if there's any missing segment. You can select yes or no. Select no. Okay, now align print position to fix misalignment. Okay, so you can adjust now. Select OK. Okay, load paper and print. So it's going to print alignment head. I'll encourage you to do this before, okay, you start to use your printer so that it will function properly, okay? Okay, here we go. It's printing out the alignment. Now, you can see this is the alignment printed out. Now, the next thing to do is, okay, look at the printout and choose box with the list line, or the next screen. On the next screen, select the number. So look on this printout, choose box with the list line. Okay, you can see number 1, we have this. Some of them the line are full. Okay, you can't see any line, but this one you can see this number 1 now. Okay, select OK to proceed. Okay, and number 1, I will select number 1 for it. So you can use up and down arrow to select the number you want and select OK. So I'm going to select number 1, okay, for the number 1 question. Okay, then select OK. Then you proceed to number 2. So look on number 2, okay, and check the one with few lines. So I'm going to select number 7. Use up and down arrow to select number 7. Select OK. Then progress to number 3. So look on number 3 and see the one with, I will select number 1 for it. So scroll up and look for number 1. Select OK. Then proceed to number 4. So look on number 4 and see the one with few strokes. I will select number 7. Okay, select OK. Now proceed to number 5. Okay, look on it. Number 5, I will select number 1 for it. Okay, select OK again. Number 6. So look on number 6 and see the one with, so I'm going to select number 7 for it. Scroll up and select OK. The last but not on the list is number 7. So look on it and see if there's a one with few strokes. I will select number 3 for this. Okay, select number 3. Select OK. A4 size paper in the rear paper feeder and start printing. Select again, start printing. So now what it's doing is printing the horizontal aspect. So this is vertical. So it's printing the horizontal. Here we go. So it's printing the horizontal. Okay. So this is the horizontal. So okay. Now choose the rectangular that are not separated or overlap. So if you look at it, you see the one that are not separated or overlap. I will select number 7. Okay, select OK to proceed. Okay, choose number 7 for it. Okay, click OK. Print head alignment complete.